Today we are putting the first mod on the Ram TRX, the 2021 Ram TRX. It's going to be the Retrax retractable bed cover. Let's get going. Okay guys, so yeah, it took us about an hour and a half, 2 hours to put the back cover on, and a lot of measuring and figuring exactly how it's going to sit. So that probably took the most amount of time. You'll definitely need 2 people to get it up and in there. Basically, if you're going to keep stuff in here, you're going to have the key with you most of the time and keep this locked. Otherwise, people can just hit this button and slide it open at any time. So that corner kind of sticks up a little bit. And the other thing that I was gonna say too, I've got all my boxes back here, but you can see you lose a lot of truck bed space with that front part hanging down, and there's no way to really just, unless you take the whole the whole thing out of there. So a couple things to kind of keep in mind. I mean, other than that, the build quality seems really, really nice. This is really secure. I know you can stand on this if you want to. But yeah, it shuts pretty good, and it'll just take some time to get it to kind of settled in, and then I'll probably just do a couple more adjustments, but it looks pretty nice. So there's our first mod on the 2021 Ram TRX. Again, really enjoying this truck. That'll make it good in the back so we can haul some stuff. Thanks for watching today, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.